Welcome to another tutorial of Scada Wonderware in Touch. Today's video, we will learn how to navigate to screen by pressing key on a keyboard. So let's get started. Enable to navigate between two windows on a Scada design, we will use a key script. Key script is a script that linked in a specific key on your keyboard. By pressing the assign key, you were able to run a logic. Let's make a new window, and name it as Win1. Let's make another window, and name it as Win2. Now, right-click on Scripts, and click New Script, and then Key Script. Key Script window will appear. On the key box, write down the key letter that you are going to use. Let's use key letter A. Now, we will write a script for the assign key. The script will be show, inverted comma, win1, inverted comma, and then semicolon. When we press the key letter A, win1 window will appear. Click validate, and then click OK. Let's add another script for Win2 window. Now, on the script box, let's change Win1 to Win2. And then, let's assign key letter S. Click validate, and then click OK. Let's add an image on each window. As you can see, as we press on the two key letter that we assign, window will navigate to Win1 and Win2. That is how to assign key script to navigate to window. See you again next time for another Scada tutorial.
Third Martian, beyond technology.